So this is the stop and show quick release front license plate, and this is the bracket that comes with, and it basically just goes underneath the chin splitter right here. Alright, so I see the mic wasn't on, so we're taking out those two bolts like you guys just saw in the video, those two bolts in the back, and then there is two bolts you take out in those holes, and these are the bolts right here, the two front ones right here. And you need what size for those bolts to take out?
That's a 9/32.
A 9/32
for these two.
Okay, and then the other one was
That's a T30 star.
T30 star to take those ones out. Yeah, fail. I didn't turn the mic on, but we're good now. So they come supplied with their own bolts and stuff.
Yep, this is what we're gonna use for the front. These two here and those two spacers.
Okay.
We don't need these other ones. I guess these for the license plate frame itself.
Okay.
The license plate. That's
Okay.
what these two for. This is basically how it's gonna go.
Yeah, just like that. Okay. What size is that, do you know?
Which one?
The one that yeah, the one you're using. That's pretty cool. Like
it's a T15.
T15. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool because basically it doesn't even drill into the
yeah, I don't need no drilling.
yeah, it doesn't drill into the chin splitter or nothing like that. It just uses the factory holes already. And so the front two bolts up top uses those new with the spacer, those new bolts with the spacer, and then the rears just use the same factory bolts.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Pretty neat.
She have two notches,
Okay.
so I don't know if it'll be able to work.
On the other one?
Yeah.
So this is the
probably
bracket, and it just
Okay,
slides
see?
in there.
See, that's like the first notch. Which
Okay.
the other one might be out a little bit more.
That's the first notch.
Yeah. So it might work for the other one.
So there's another notch ahead of
It
it.
could go in more. It could go in more. But that's the other one.
So not bad. So they got two notches.
So
I guess we'll just have to see if
So it might work when we get the other.
the chin splitter. So alright. But that's it. So this is how it looks. Right there in the middle. Of course, no one likes the front license plate because of course it takes away from the look of the car overall. But that's how it sits right there in front.
That's just in case.
Yeah, just in case, just in case, as you guys can see. But it just slides in, slide out. You need to wash your car, take it off, slide it out, slide it back in. Your job is super easy, and it just goes right back in those two little holes and slides in.
You have a pin here, pull the pin, push it in, goes click, and then pull again.
And it can click again. There's two slots if you go, and then to take it out, you just pull the pin and pull it out, and it just slides out. Pretty dope and clean. As you can see, like my car, it doesn't have any front license plate. You're supposed to have a front license plate, but hey guys, you guys know how it is. It just takes away the front look of the car. So I haven't had any problems with having no front license plate. And I pass a bunch of cops every single day, and I don't know, they don't pay attention to my car regardless. But I don't know, my car with this blue, I don't know, it kind of blends in a lot, which is a good thing. And then I got the blacked out headlights, kind of like a stealth look, so it really kind of blends in, which I'm not complaining about. But yeah, in Maryland we are supposed to run a front license plate, but hey guys, look how clean that looks without the front license plate. Real nice. So guys, I didn't forget about my car. We have some stuff coming in for it next week, so can't wait to start working on this car, because there's a lot of little things that we want to, I guess it's getting up there in mileage, it needs to be fixed. So in due time. See, look, this person doesn't have a front license plate. See, look, boom. All right guys, so I guess we're gonna make this a two-part video. My dad's gonna get the jack and wheels for underneath the Shelby GT350. So basically this is probably one of the main things we need to jack up the car, and especially for when we bag the car. So about to bring them out right here. We got it from CJ Pony Parts. Highly recommend if you guys are on the East Coast. If you're on the East Coast, you will get your parts like way faster. So they're in PA, and we mostly get our stuff in like 2 days. So that's pretty neat. But these are the jack and rails. So one for the left side, one for the right side. And honestly, they're pretty light after lifting them up. It's pretty light for together. So you got your frame, rails, Steeda, ultralight, jack and rails. I know I'm kind of showing it upside down. Made in the USA. Steeda Ultra jack and rails. And you get all your hardware right there. So go install this on the Shelby GT350. Because if you guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, on the Shelby GT350, there's really not that many places to jack up the car underneath here. So as you guys can see right there, so the rails are gonna go probably on the edge where these two bolts are. So I'll show you guys the process of that. So right now we're actually jacking the car up on like that frame right there on the side. Pretty dope. Put your hardware right there. So each one is supposed to be size specific.
So that means it's this way it's supposed to go? I would think it's this way.
Yeah, because the two bolts were together at the end down there. So as you guys can see, the two bolts there, and then there is another bolt right underneath here. It's kind of hard to see, but there's another bolt right there. That little body sealer right there, we have to scrape it off so the jack and rails can sit flush. Do I have Loctite on this one?
Yeah. Yeah,
it's Loctite. And then we took out the two front bolts. We made it to Advanced Auto. My dad's already in here. I forgot the damn camera, man. YouTube's about to take away my YouTube certificate, so we're about to go in here, get some Loctite, and grab some other stuff too as well. So we're looking for a scraper to take the sticker off for, I guess, Virginia. They put a sticker on there when we got the car. You forgot your wallet? We're trying to find a scraper to take off this sticker for Virginia that they put on the car, and it's like down at the bottom of the window shield. So that's what we're about to do now, is go ahead and scrape that off, as well as get the Loctite for those bolts, so no vibration or anything, the bolts doesn't fall out or kick out. So very important. You need this big bottle?
That's 23.
You need a bigger bottle, or you need a smaller one? We gonna need more than a small one?
Huh?
We gonna need this bigger bottle?
I don't know, if you want to get a small one, get a small one.
Cause this costs $23.99.
The small one, then
Alright, yeah.
And the same thing?
Yeah, just a little bit more. I don't think we need that much, right?
Okay. I mean, we might have other stuff, but that's good for now.
Yeah, this should be good for now. I'd rather pay the what, $8-9 instead of $23, $24 shoot, man, it's hurting my bank account now. YouTube, y'all guys, can y'all watch the ads for me so I could be able to fund this GT3 expensive build? Y'all go ahead and watch all the ads. Do not skip any of the ads so y'all can help me fund this GT350 build. Maybe we could get some HREs for the GT350, because you know HREs are like $5,000 to $10,000 a wheel for all wheels. It's expensive, so help your boy out. Appreciate it, guys. We're just gonna get this. He couldn't find the scraper that he wanted to get, so we're just gonna get this scraper and Loctite. So it is what it is. All right, so just got home. Car is shining. Definitely needs a wash still, but that light hitting it right there in the middle. Car looks real nice. Has a nice stance to it. This car, if you guys don't know, you're new to the channel, this car is on bags, airlift performance 3H, so it has the height sensors and everything, so when you hit corners and everything, it maintains your ride height. So rides comfortable, smooth, feels very comfortable and smooth. Long drives, it's amazing. It handles amazing. So you putting Loctite on there?
Yep.
You put a lot or not that much?
Ain't need that much.
Oh, you put some on each side?
Just right on one side only.
Oh, okay. Is the scraper working?
Yeah.
You say yeah?
Yep.
I'm glad we got the scraper.
Let's see what this is. That's it. We're gonna use one of them.
So now you're tightening them up? You guys can see this one side is done. Just got to repeat the other steps on the other side. But one thing I like about these rails is basically with the lines of the body of the car, and it doesn't make the car seem like any lower. I mean, there's not something lower than the bottom of the car, so it doesn't scrape up or anything. So this is right there with the red line right there, so that's perfect.
So now
Hmm?
we could jack up the whole one side of the car.
Yeah, so you could jack up the whole car.
One side of the car, both wheels will have it wrong at once.
Yeah. What's up, guys? So this is how the show and stop license plate for the front looks. They have 2 notches, so you could bring it up a little bit more. It's all the way on the back. I know it kind of sucks because it hides the Shelby logo right there, but if you need a front license plate and you don't want to drill in or mess up the front end of the car, pretty easy mod to install for the Shelby GT350. And it has like another click so it can move up a little bit more if you need it to be, which is dope. One thing I like about the rails is it doesn't sit lower than the body of the car. You don't see nothing hanging, so it blends in with the body of the car, which is dope. So that's really good. And then if you decide to jack the car up on the rail, you could jack it up from the middle. I could just stick it underneath here, and as you guys can see, the whole car is jacking up now. And the whole side of the car is jacking up with no problem. So pretty dope. And you don't mess up the frame of the car. So definitely these are a plus. This is like a must-have mod that you guys need for your Mustangs or Shelbys overall. Must-needed mod if you're gonna be jacking up the car, changing tires, different stuff like that. Must-needed mod. So this is an important mod because we're gonna be doing putting different suspension on this car soon. So we're gonna be doing the air ride. So definitely needed that. That's one main thing we need to accomplish to get to the bigger stop. So